So you want to gain weight, but you just can't manage to pack on those extra pounds? Or are you a hard gainer? I got a simple and effective meal that's based on Chanko Nabe. That's the Japanese sumo wrestler stew. Also, gruel, which was the meal of choice for ancient Greeks. So sit back, keep watching. I'm about to show you how to cook this up. DC Hyden. So, us hard gainers know it's not about the gym, it's about the kitchen. In my search of high-calorie foods, I found Chanko Nabe. Basically, that's the Japanese sumo wrestlers' mix of a bunch of basic foods that they eat to bulk and also maintain their mass. Now, I also found gruel. Gruel was a staple food of the ancient Greeks, both rich and poor ancient Greeks, and they used this meal to maintain their lives. So basically what I did was combine the two ideas, combine the ingredients, combine the meals, and I came up with DC Hyden's Chanko Nabe gruel. So really quickly, I'm going to tell you how to make it. Skin and cut up 6 of your preferred potatoes of choice. Cut 4 carrots. Cut up 2 stalks of broccoli. Add all these ingredients to a pot and boil. So you want to stir and mix the potatoes, carrots, and broccoli ever so gently, ever so often. Yeah, doesn't that look good? Cut up, season, and cook 4 pieces of chicken. Dice up 1 onion for your meats. Throw your ground beef and your ground turkey in a pan and brown it. Boil 4 cups of rice. Hard boil 4 eggs. Alright, our meat is getting brown. That's the ground turkey and the ground beef. When it gets brown, I want to add my color. I want to add these red onions partway through it getting brown. And I also want to add my seasoning now. So you let this still brown. You add in your red onions or your white onions, whatever you prefer. I'm a fan of Lawry's seasoned salt, garlic salt. I'm sorry, you can't go wrong with Lawry's, and this one has some parsley in it. So I'll just sprinkle that on here. Alright, and you add on some pepper, salt, dash, whatever the seasoning you want for your meats. Adobo, I'm going to put a little bit of that in, and I'm going to get this meat done. Alright, so our ground turkey and ground beef with onions is nice and brown. Our eggs are hard boiled. We got our rice done, and we have the potatoes, carrots, and broccoli complete. Lastly, we got my seasoned chicken, all right for the picking. Ready to be. Okay, so we prep a meal by putting in the rice first, topping it with the potato and vegetables, then the ground turkey and ground beef onions. We'll put the chicken on top of that and garnish it with an egg. Alright, so my recipe for Chanko Nabe gruel by DC Hyden makes about 8 healthy servings. You could stretch it out to 9, maybe 10, but with the ingredients as I listed, it makes 8 good healthy servings of Chanko Nabe gruel by DC Hyden. You're welcome. This is how many servings you need to eat per day. I suggest 7 servings, spaced out through the day. This is a little what it looks like when I bulk, right? This is serious. This is serious. Again, you gotta remember, for us hard gainers, it's not about the gym. It's about the kitchen.